CDOCAST hydraulic shearing machine adopts hydraulic cutting method to cut the plate into the small blocks. Clear button design helps you control efficiently and work easily. Place the gold plate into the material chute. Press the automatic mode. The feeding cylinder push the gold plate into the cutting tool holder. The clamping device presses the gold plate into the cutting tool holder. Then the cutting blade presses down to cut. The finished products fall into the collection tank. After cutting, it'll automatically reset, and the feeding device push the plate again to cut. The cutting surface is flat and smooth, without burrs or flash, bringing you perfect cutting quality. Our hydraulic cutting machine is suitable for cutting gold, silver, copper, and aluminum plates. Welcome to contact us.